The Kiritoga Advanced upgrade is probably one of my most favorite pencils. Love the little details. So the pencil comes with a metallic body. It also has this retractable tip, which makes sure that it's easy to carry around in your pocket. It delivers remarkably fine strokes and it's very good for drafting and sketching. Basically, the tip tends to stay at a uniform thickness, which makes it really good for little details, and the point 0.5 stays point 0.5. It's actually based on our patented technology from Uniball, and it's really good. These transparent orange dots are probably my favorite feature about this pencil.